The purpose is to instill fear and to instill loyalty among those who are lucky enough not to get purged under the current campaign.
Matt Pottinger says the purge is not about creating a fairer society, but over who'll know more about China's citizens, the companies, or the Communist Party. He points to a law that took effect last month, giving officials deeper control over private personal information.
The party has taken a machete and sort of whacked its way toward the headquarters and C-suites of all of these big tech firms and said, your data is now our data.
Do you think that the purpose in a lot of these crackdowns is for the government to get their hands on the data?
The Chinese government has said that data is like the new oil of this century, and that where the data flows, power will flow.
The new privacy law, it's a big deal. What are the major concerns, especially for us in the West?
If you are an American company operating in China, you are required to hand over your encryption keys to the Chinese government. What these new rules say is that they, by law, now also have control of your data.
One reason for this, the government says, is to keep China's data from reaching foreign hands through the private sector. One company they targeted was Didi, China's version of Uber. Its app and fleet collected data on its passengers and on China's infrastructure. Didi's problem started in June, when it had gone public with an IPO on the New York Stock Exchange. But
only several days after that IPO occurred, Beijing suspended the app, basically made it impossible for people to download the app. And they sent the Ministry of State Security, which is China's KGB, into the offices of Didi to start assessing and taking control of Didi's data.